How to generate PowerPoint slides with Gemini AI, Full Guide 2025. Step 1. Open Gemini AI. Go to gemini.google.com and sign in using your Google account. Step 2. Create a new chat. Click New Chat and prepare your prompt. You can also upload texts, PDFs, or outlines you want Gemini to convert into slides. Step 3. Tell Gemini to generate PowerPoint slides. Type a clear command such as create a PowerPoint slide deck about climate change with 6 slides. Gemini will produce a slide outline, bullet points, speaker notes, and optional design suggestions. Step 4. Download the presentation. Gemini gives options depending on the version. If export is available, click Export PowerPoint or Export to Google Slides. If export is not available, copy the generated slide content, open Google Slides PowerPoint, paste each slide. This method is still fast because Gemini formats the structure automatically.